Hey queens. So I am currently living in a content creator entrepreneurship type house. It's called Launch House, and we are living in Paris Hilton's old mansion. It has a really nice view of LA, and we are going to do our what I eat in a week while I'm here and while Sita's in New York City. So this morning, I'm finishing up a boba that I had last night. It's 0% sugar and high in protein because I put red beans in it instead of boba. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. I'm back in my room in the house at Launch House. And for lunch, I am eating a Trader Joe's salad. It was chicken and some couscous with arugula and some sauce. So I love Trader Joe's salads because they're really healthy, and today I'm sporting a new look with some pigtails. It's a little, okay. Forgot to film my dinner, but I had a lasagna from Costco, and there were probably 4 pieces that were like this big, and I think I'm just gonna have that as a snack, and then maybe a bit later I'll have some almond milk or something to tie me over. But that's the end of day 1.
Hola! Okay, so this is a quick interlude of Sita from the future. But one of the main reasons why I wanted to shoot this video was to try out the Always pan, which looks like this. I got it for Christmas, and the ads were really intriguing because it's basically an all-in-one pan. But I will leave my opinions at the end of this video. Okay, this isn't the best angle, but it's fine, I guess. I just thought I would do some talking while I'm like preparing. Though I actually used to be vegan. I was vegetarian most of my life, but then I was vegan for a really long time, and then mostly dairy and egg free, and I would occasionally eat fish. But then I was eating a lot of soy products, and my stomach is quite sensitive. I honestly don't know why. And then I kind of cut out soy products like tofu, but then I was feeling like really weak, so I started to reintroduce eggs. I've only been eating eggs for like a year now, maybe 2 years, and only recently, as of like 2 months ago, I started to eat chicken just as a more high protein, low fat way to eat protein. It's definitely been quite the process. Like, if I focus too much on what it is while I'm cooking it, I can't eat it. So working on that. I'm just cracking some eggs. I did 3 egg whites, and I'm doing 1 full egg, and then I'm just going to whisk it. But also, I wanted to comment that I don't eat out all the time. I generally only eat out with friends, or I'll pick up like a bagel or smoothie. But I actually like cooking. Like, I like preparing my food for myself or others, just because I like to know what's going in it as well. I feel like there's more control there. But that doesn't mean I don't eat out or eat junk food. I'm trying to eat healthier. But yeah, so I pretty much still stay away from dairy. I got these cauliflower like sandwich thins that I think they have at Trader Joe's, but I got them from Costco, and I didn't realize they had Parmesan in them, and then my stomach was so upset. So I know dairy, like sometimes I can have it, sometimes I can't, but I just stray away. Eggs I'm okay with, which is nice. Okay, the spinach after the microwave looks so odd. This looks so bizarre. Anyways, this is basically going to be a video about me food ranting, but I'm going to use ghee. I used to use vegan butter, but then I realized it's the same thing as margarine, which is really processed and honestly not really good for you. So I've moved to moving ghee. I'm still testing out if my stomach is okay with it, but it's clarified butter, so it should be, because it doesn't have any of the things that your stomach is basically supposed to react to. And also I want to see if my skin will react to it, so we shall see. So I'm going to add a teaspoon into the pan and use the pan. Okay, I broke it while flipping it, but it still looks so good. And it really is kind of doing that advertisement where the egg just rolls around. I also think it's because I use ghee. Wow, look at that, right off the pan. And then I'm going to add some sriracha. This is just the one from Trader Joe's. Yum, this looks so good. All right, so I'm just gonna prep all the vegetables first. I didn't think this was gonna be a recipe video, but I guess that's where we're at. Usually whenever I'm cooking or anything, I have a TV show or something in the background. So I actually have Dirty John playing in the background. go listen to that. But I'm just slicing all the mushrooms because I want to add extra mushrooms to the frozen veggies that I have, which I'm just trying to use up so I don't have to get groceries yet. Alright, so this gets into the part where I was talking about the chicken. I found that the easiest way to start cooking chicken was to mince it because I was always concerned that I was undercooking it or something. And so it's actually really easy to do. So I have my cut up chicken breast and I'm actually just gonna put it into a little food processor. And so it'll basically mince it and then I will use that to cook for the tacos. All right, I'm all done. So I have the veggies, I just cut up some limes, the chicken, lettuce for the lettuce wraps, and then this little salsa that I made. I'm gonna add some lime just because I added too much of the spices. I made sort of like a play on Chipotle mayo, something like that. It's just some Kite Hill almond milk yogurt and sriracha.
Good morning. New day. New Joe and the Juice sandwich. I got the Serrano sandwich. I love Joe and the Juice because I think it's so good, simple, and healthy. So that's my breakfast / lunch. Hey everyone. So for lunch, I had Joe and the Juice, a sandwich. It was a chicken sandwich and then also a smoothie, one of the avocado smoothies. And I am currently in line waiting to get my vaccine. So exciting. So I think I'm gonna eat a Fat Sal's sandwich. Fat Sal's is like a staple in LA. Not the healthiest thing around, but you know, it's supposed to be like really rich and delicious. Sandwich reveal. But yes, that was my day.
All right, so it's a new day. I'm kind of hungry, so I was going to make protein pancakes, but I don't have any almond milk or alternative milks, and I feel like it would taste a little watery with just water. So I'm going to just make some oats before I have my presentation. I just wanted to show how concerning this pan is. Or I guess it's a pan or a pot, I don't know. Anyways, but I got it from IKEA because I thought I was just going to use it for 1 year when I went to my master's program, which is not sustainable, but they really aren't made to last. Like, look at this. The handle's so wobbly, so I feel like if it was really hot, one day it's just going to fall off. All right, while my oatmeal is preparing, I'm also going to make some quinoa for the salad that I want to make later. But I wanted to share that one thing that I love to make the quinoa taste a little better is basically add some vegetable stock in. And I don't have like the one in the container, so I just use this paste and add it with some boiled water and then use that as like the liquid that the quinoa is going to boil in, and then you kind of have some more flavor in there so it's not just bland. Another IKEA pan and another wobbly handle. This one's a little more concerning. Alright, we're back from the grocery store. I just wanted to take a walk because I was actually looking for some basil. And then I found some other things and I was gonna go to Starbucks and get a coffee, but I realized I could just get some iced coffee, and for the time and cost, even though this grocery store in New York was so expensive, it's just down the street. But the only reason why I stayed was because I've been wanting to try these Uncrustables for so long and haven't been able to find them. I thought you'd be able to find them in a Walgreens or something. And then also this Chobani oat, which they don't actually sell at Whole Foods, so I've never had the chance. Let's do a little taste test. Wait, I wonder what you have to do to prepare these. Keep frozen, thaw 30 to 60 minutes. Do not microwave. Okay. So I guess we'll take one out for now and then cut it later. This is definitely not the healthiest thing that I've bought. 6 grams of protein. Look how cute! Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Let's try this oat milk. They had a really creamy one and a vanilla one, but I thought I would just get the plain. Tastes like oats. Also bought this iced coffee to try. I saw a mom getting this with a newborn, so hopefully this is good. Oh, it has added sugar to it. I'm trying to do non-added sugar, which like obviously not going well, but this coffee does too. Oh, it's sweet. Not too sweet black. Well, should have read that. Alright, I'm gonna get back to work. Alright, the workday just ended and I took my dog for a walk, but it's literally so cold outside. My eyes started watering. I'm really hungry, but I'm not gonna make dinner yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a little snack. This is a leftover chicken from yesterday's dinner. I have some leftover lettuce, so I'm just gonna put that all together, make a little salad, eat that. Alright, well, this was supposed to be the clip of me making dinner, but I finished the whole pack of Uncrustables while I was studying, and my stomach is not feeling very good as a result, so I tried having some digestive enzymes, I drank a ton of water, tried eating some fruit, but I don't think anything's really gonna do the trick. I got my second dose of the vaccine the other day, so I've been feeling low energy already, and now I just kind of feel a little sick. But I'm very lucky to get the vaccine. If you have the chance to get it, you should definitely get it. COVID is a real thing. The pandemic is still happening. So wear your masks, stay protected, protect others. And I think I'm gonna make some tea and go to bed. Changed my mind and I started eating this raw. So I just made some pasta with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and parsley. And it's this, I'm trying this out for the first time. It looks really good.
Hello, dutiful listeners. So today for lunch, I had a pick 4 of 4 pieces sushi. So I got spicy tuna, salmon, toro, and albacore. I forgot to film the actual sushi, but it was very good. Hello, welcome to another What I Eat. So today I went to Erewhon, very LA, and I got this acai mousse. They have a lot of really good mousses there. I've even had their kale one, and that one is also delicious. This is the keto berry probiotic mousse with strawberry, raspberry, pitaya, cashew, chia seeds, coconut meat, collagen, hemp seeds, almond butter, lucuma, coconut kefir, coconut oil, xylitol, and then some stevia. So that was really good. And then I also already ate it, but I got like a small little like keto peanut butter chocolate bar situation. Oh, I fell off my skateboard, so that's that. But yeah, so it was really good, and I don't know, it's kind of a light meal for the day, but I like to have smaller snacks throughout the day sometimes instead of one large meal. So yeah.
Wow, because the sun is shining, it looks so godly, angelic, this little bagel. And I always split them in half and try to make it even cream cheese so then it lasts a little longer. And then I'm just gonna be studying. Okay, I made dinner a little earlier than usual. I basically just pan fried some chicken, mushrooms, and put it in some marinara, added some chili flakes, parsley, and nutritional yeast. And I ate, because I ate pasta for my midnight snack yesterday, I'm just eating quinoa. And I made a little balsamic olive oil, salt, pepper salad with arugula and cherry tomatoes. This looks so good. Okay, conclusions on the pan. I've used it to steam, stir fry, boil, like make eggs and everything, which I think I showed in this video, and everything of that sort. And honestly, I think it's really good. The only thing is it is heavy, so it's hard to maneuver with one hand. The other thing is this handle right here does get really hot, so just be aware of that. If it's on the stove, you can't just like pick it up like this. All of the other capacities of it really work well, and I was so impressed. One of the reasons why I wanted to try this pan was because it was started by a young brown woman, and I just was really excited to see the company. And look how aesthetically pleasing it is. So cute. Alright, well, thank you everyone for watching. I hope it was somewhat interesting. And let us know if there's anything you want to see.